For organizations and firms, to be sustainable is very complex. Trying to achieve important quality results and yet introducing new sustainable materials or trying to address social and environmental concerns, these create tensions. Addressing these different type of demands necessarily create tensions, which every companies that seriously try to walk the path of sustainability need to address. Those tensions might undermine the environmental, economic and social performance of companies, so how to address them? The paradox perspective is emerging as a very intriguing and important approach to effectively address that in a way that allows to unleash important sustainability results. In this literature review, we try to understand what the literature has reported so far to report what works and what works less, when institutions and firms try to adopt a paradoxical approach.
In this literature review, we have identified the three meanings the concept of paradox assumes so far in the existing empirical literature. And these three meanings are paradoxical tension, paradoxical frame thinking, and paradoxical action strategies. First, paradoxical tension are the tension that involves poles that are simultaneously interrelated and conflicting, and the scholar use paradox theory as a conceptual lens in order to detect such a kind of tension. Second, paradoxical frame thinking is the cognitive frame that managers or organizations adopt in order to make sense of this kind of tension and accept opposing poles. Third, paradoxical action strategies are the action that organization or individual implement in order to integrate conflicting poles at the same time. This result allows us to create a map of the meanings that the concept of paradox assume in this literature in order to provide insight to the scholars that are approaching the use of paradox theory in corporate sustainability research. But we have also investigated how the concept is adopted at the different level of analysis, individuals, organization, and system levels. This allows us to build a conceptual framework in which we integrate the three meanings we have detected and the three levels of analysis in order to systematize the current literature, the current knowledge about paradox and corporate sustainability, and in order to identify potential gaps and future research direction in order to improve this literature that can have a significant potential for corporate sustainability research.